Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming MIUI and creating a quick settings backup. This avoids surprises later. Open Settings, go to SIM cards and mobile networks and locate mobile data. Once found, pull down Quick Settings and tap the pencil to edit. Remove or drag the mobile data tile out of active tiles. This stops accidental toggles and removes the obvious status indicator. Make sure to save the Quick Settings layout. If your phone asks for confirmation, accept it so the change is persistent across reboots. Next, target the data usage badge and system indicators. In Settings, open Notifications and Control Center, then App Notifications. Find Phone, SIM, or System UI entries. Turn off app badges and any data usage notifications. If MIUI shows a data saver or traffic monitor icon, locate traffic management or data usage in Settings and disable the indicator. Once done, force stop System UI or restart the phone to refresh the status bar. This removes persistent icons and reduces visual data usage cues without affecting connectivity. Finish by rebooting to apply all changes. Check the status bar and Quick Settings for any remaining data icons. If an indicator persists, go to Apps Show System Processes System UI, then clear cache and data. Restart again. If you installed a carrier app, uninstall or disable its notifications. Finally, only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Backup data first. If problems continue, a quick troubleshooting tip: toggle each setting back on, then off again to force a config refresh, and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.